Hello again, this is Robert and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm going to do another recording on this amazing business opportunity called My Ads Up. If you are looking for some extra income, then please look no further. You only need 10 minutes a day to do this. I am presently on level 11 of the pay plan, which is paying me £65 or roughly $80 every day for literally less than 10 minutes work. So if your opportunity or indeed your job is not paying you at this level, then I highly recommend that you get started with this. You can earn up to 154% guaranteed earnings and also up to $36.30 per click. You can actually get going with just $1, because that is the price of the ad packs. Although I do recommend that you start with at least 20 if you can, because this will immediately jump you to level 4 of the pay plan. You can actually advertise your other opportunities on this site, because each ad pack gives you 3,080 bonus points towards the next level, and it also gives you 100 views to whatever site you wish to promote. You can also earn 10% commission on your referral spendings and another 5% commissions on your referrals earnings. If you look at the top of the screen, there are various tabs that you can click on. I would recommend that you click on the How It Works tab, which will go through it all very, very carefully for you. Step 1, deposit funds. Step 2, buy an ad pack. Step 3 and 4, explain your bonus ad points and your bonus earnings. And there is a nice chart showing the level of your earnings from group 1 to group 13. We go back to the top of the page. There is a frequently asked questions page, which hopefully will answer any question that you possibly have. The lady owner of this business is very, very well respected. She has been a business entrepreneur for many years, and she also runs 2 other sites which have been going for a couple of years and are still paying out. If you look at the statistics at the bottom of the page, you can see that we now have over 48,000 members, and the business has only been running for just over 6 months, but has already paid out over $5 million in commissions. I have been involved with many opportunities over the last few years, and I must admit that this is the easiest one to run that I have come across, and in my opinion it is also the best. I would highly recommend that you get started. At the bottom of this video you will see my joining link. Just click on that and you can literally get started within 5 minutes. I look forward to welcoming you onto my team, and I also look forward to seeing you at the top. Bye for now.